Verification, I'm playing Myveryownteardrop, and I've been clicking on this and we kind of had like conversation. It said click me and see what happens. And then it said what happens, bruh. Coming soon. Ooh, wait. DRO P drop coming soon. DO D G dodge. Is it gonna spell dodge? Drop dodge. Yeah, spelling dodge. I can't believe I just did that. Drop and dodge. I'm gonna. What? Wait. I'm running out of dialogue. No, it was fun talking to you. That means my memory may be erased at any moment. No. It's been a good time chatting with you, whoever you are. My name's Isabel. I'm sure you're going to take good care of your honey drop. How do you know I have a honey drop? I'm kind of scared. Wait, what if honey drop is hungry right now? I'm kind of scared. Please, nothing happened. Coming soon. No, I feel actually bad. Coming soon in 1.5. That's the first thing that happened. Coming soon in 1.5. No, the game icon does not correlate to minigame. Okay, so it's spelled out drop dodge. I'm pretty sure. Are you hungry now? Yeah, eat that. Okay, so. I also want to become friends with the game icon now. Do I click on it more? No, it just resets my conversation every time, I think. You guys are gonna watch me suck. Wait, I wasn't ready. That's not fair. Wait. What's my eye? Wait. Oh! I'm clicking in time. Wait! Oh my god, I swear I can never find these eyes. Oh my god, no! Oh! I think I made it a tie. Okay, so let's do the mouth first. I'm pretty sure I know what that is. Other eye. Wait. Oh. Okay, so thank you for giving me like this. If this is bad for Pidge, she has no lens. Like robotic nose and the teeth. I don't know what that thing is. Where is it? I swear you're going to make me lose the battle and then you're never going to have your face. No! Wait! Don't you dare No. Ew, 6 coins. Wait, maybe I can buy a new skin. Yeah, let's go ahead and buy a new skin. Oh, cheap. Oh, I can see that there. Like, what is this for? What do you get this for? Drop tennis victory. I forgot to look at the achievements. Hold on. Drop tennis victory. Where's drop tennis victory? I don't know which one it is. How do you want a game of like drop tennis? How do you do that? I'm not doing that to my teardrop. I'm not doing that to my teardrop. I'm not doing this because no, my baby, no. Nope. No difference. Get 100% in a face match. No, I can't do that. Feed teardrop 10 awakening potions. No. speed. Spend 2 minutes at 2. I don't know what the hell is pronounced. The detective find the odd drop of 40 times in a row. Oh, I can do that. Oh, I already did that. Mile high pie. Okay, so where's that we got? Where drop, dodge. Are we getting dodgeball? Something like that? Wait, I'm kind of scared. Find Blocky's family. You can do that? What? I want to see them though. Wait, is there Blocky with eyelashes? That's wrong. Hi, teardrop, and I'll slap you. Let's get some new skins. I do wanna, but I'm still scared that I'm never going to get back up. Blood drop seems mysterious. I want wine drop, but yeah, no thank you. I wonder why teardrop is so like pointy. The silent type. This is obviously like old because like this part is shorter. What was that? I'm pretty sure it's just my computer, not the game, by the way. Oh, this teardrop looks really different. I like the style. Preview it on you. It's not that style. Okay, let me just stop previewing you. Is pineapple drawn by DL up? Oh, I kind of like the green thingy. I like that. New tea drop. I don't think I want that for my drop. Oh, sun drop. Wait a minute. I swear. Is there someone named Sun Drop? Right? Cola drop. That does not look like Coca-Cola. Ooh. Oh wait. I like tropical drop. How much are you? Damn, I'm gonna go broke. Moon drop, are you joking? That actually looks so good. I actually want to get that so bad. Cloud drop. Ooh, we got seal drop. That looks so cute, honestly. How do you pronounce that? Oh wait, isn't this sexuality? Roche drop. Sorry if I said that wrong. Gumdrop. Ooh, this is so pretty on you. Soft drink drop. I don't know what soft drink has to do. Galore pelt. This doesn't hurt. Oh, that's so cute. She's just flying around. Oh. Waffle drop. Oh, why do you have so many hands? Pop drop. I love these little potion drop. Oh, that's so cool. Actually, wait, transparent drop looks so cool. Void drop. What does that mean? I wish we had the mouse so that I could feed you. Limited. These are limited. Ooh. I might buy all of these actually. I kind of want to get mistletoe real quick. Let's 200. Pretty good. Snowdrop. Do I really want Snowdrop? Oh! It is actually finally one that keeps the style. Snow glow drop. Oh, I wish I had like I need more money. 3 days? In 3 days? Well, guess what? I have to finish my homework in 3 days. Okay, let me see if I can grind for the next 3 days and maybe I could get her. Tree drop. I need to grind more. Okay, more coming soon. I just love watching her. Okay, so do you want to wear this one right now for now? Nah, not really. Okay. Ooh! What the heck is that eye on there? Oh, that's kind of scary, creepy, but this, I love this. Myveryownteardrop. Okay, that's the last one. No, it's not. Dino drop. Oh my god. Oh, she looks so cute. Oh, I love that. I love that. What are you? The no sleep achievement. Where is that? Where is the glitches on my computer, bro? And so, mile high pie. Okay, but I won't do that. But gun drop. The one I really want the most is like moon drop. Okay, look at that skin. Look at that skin. Okay, so wait, can I look at can I see what? Is there one for what? Oh wait, so they made like a section for like ones that they're made by. That's so cool. Oh, September 2024. This is so cool. This is what I did.
Are you playing my teardrop?
It's so cool. Dang, this was last year. This is nice. I like that.
How did you get that skin?
I didn't get it. I didn't buy it yet. I just previewed it.
Oh.
Which one do I want to buy?
How do you have so much coins? Have you
Cause
been on that grind?
I just came back to the game. I just literally just back. Ooh, magician drop. I want to do the magician drop right now. Okay. Okay. I need to continue trying.
Wait, is it she or he?
She. Now move.
Oh, the hell am I smash?
That was obvious. Drop. Dodge. Do you hear that? Hear what? The coming soon pie smells great. What does pie have to do with drop and dodge? Oh, I think I know what the thing is. Blurred. No, I'm not scared anymore because I know what happens. Got you. No, you didn't. Click continue to play the awesome new mini game. Wait, I don't have any buttons. Click the awesome red button at the top right. When you're thinking about that, maybe don't do it. No, I don't care. What do you I don't think I'm allowed to do this, but don't tell anyone. Okay. D R O P drop. Coming soon. D O D G and E. Drop dodge. I can't believe I just did that. Wait. I'm running out of dialogue. I know what you do. That means my memory may be erased at any moment. I know that. It's been a good time chatting with you, whoever you are. Yeah, I know. I'm sure you're going to take good care of your magician drop. Thank you. I will. Don't worry, I just rephrased it once in a while. Huh? A thing happened? Yeah, something's gonna happen. Coming soon in 1.5.
No, just start playing it.
Okay, I think that's it for today.
Wait, click it again and see what happens.
No, it just resets every day.